In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send transfer money from GCash to Bank of Commerce. By the end, you'll know exactly what to tap, what to type, and how to make sure your transfer goes through smoothly. Start by opening the GCash app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in to the correct account. Your balance covers the amount you want to send plus any applicable fees, and your internet connection is stable. From the GCash home screen, look for the transfer option and tap it. This is where all bank and wallet transfers happen inside GCash. Next, choose Local. This category lists local banks supported by GCash. Using Local ensures you're sending directly to a bank account rather than to another wallet or an international service. In the search field, type Bank of Commerce. When it appears in the list, select it to open the transfer form. Take a moment here to confirm you're choosing Bank of Commerce and not a similarly named institution. Now you'll see fields to complete the transfer. Enter the amount you want to send. Double-check the figure to avoid sending too little or too much, and be mindful of any daily limits. Then enter the account name exactly as it appears on the recipient's bank records. Spelling matters here, so match the official name on the account to help prevent processing issues. Next, type the Bank of Commerce account number. Enter the full number without extra spaces or characters, and verify every digit carefully. Before you proceed, review all the details on the screen. Look for any transfer fee and confirm the total amount that will be deducted from your GCash balance. If everything looks right, tap Send Money. From here, simply follow the prompts that appear on your screen. You may be asked to confirm the transaction details, approve the fee, or authenticate using your PIN, biometrics, or a one-time password sent to your device. Keep any one-time password private and enter it only within the GCash app. After you confirm, wait for the success message and a reference number or receipt. It's a good idea to save a screenshot or copy the reference number in case you need to track the transaction with GCash or the bank. If you encounter an error, check your balance, verify the account details again, and try later in case the bank is undergoing maintenance. That's it. You've learned how to send money from GCash to Bank of Commerce quickly and securely. Thanks for watching and happy transferring.